today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hand sanitizer. I have 4 different ways to make it, so watch for all 4. They're not what you think they are. You might be surprised. I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you could eat better, spend less, with over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money at the grocery store. This recipe has been on our website for 15 years. Recipe number 1 is homemade hand sanitizer, aloe vera, and rubbing alcohol. That's all it is. I use significantly less aloe vera than the recipe calls for just to keep my rubbing alcohol at a high percentage. Just get your aloe vera mixed in there just like so. Then what you're going to do is you're going to either put it in a reusable spray bottle or a little lotion bottle cleaned out like that. And that recipe is on, all of these are on our website, livingonadime.com. Recipe number 2 is not rocket science, but easy. Super easy. Take your rubbing alcohol, just pour it in a reusable spray bottle. This is just a body spray bottle. Spray your hands 3 or 4 times. Get down in your fingernails. By the way, my fingernails aren't those cool for St. Patrick's Day. Are linked in the description below. I don't know if they have these same exact ones, but I'll link the kind. I love these. They stay on 3 weeks. Okay, got all the rubbing alcohol is evaporated. If you don't want rubbing alcohol on your hands, even though they're sanitized, I just use an old drinking water bottle. I refill mine. I don't buy drinking water. We have fine water here in Colorado. So just take and rinse that off, and then you don't have to worry about rubbing alcohol on your hands. If you're worried about your hands getting dry from the rubbing alcohol, use just a little bit of lotion right afterwards and you're good. Now this one is Mom and Grandma's hand sanitizer. Yes, my mom and grandma have been doing this for more than 70 years. What is it? These are little baby wash rags. Just take a wash rag. I like these particular ones. The link is in the description below. Dollar Tree has some. I like these ones better than the ones at Dollar Tree because the ones at Dollar Tree have terry cloth and they pull, so I don't like those as well. But these I love, love, love. The link is in the description below. What do? You take at home, get your wash rag all wet. We'll just pretend that's the faucet. Then take just a little squirt of soap. Put it on your wash rag. Then you are going to put it in a plastic bag, 1 for each person. And there you go. Then when it's time to use them, just stand outside of your car and put all the kids lined up, rubbing their fingernails, rubbing in between their hands, 20 seconds. It's the rubbing action for 20 seconds. Then Mom is going to take her trusty bottle of water, put just a tiny bit in each kid's palm of their hand and have them wash. And then either take a dry wash rag or a paper towel. If you keep those in your car, you should if you don't. And there's Grandma and Mom's way to do it. Now, if you want a disposable version, take a paper towel. Once again, we're going to get it all wet just like that. Put just a tiny bit of dish soap. Put it on there. 1 for each person. Put it in the bag just like so. When it's time, you're going to rub, rub, rub. We should sing the Rubber Ducky song while we do this. Rubber Ducky, you're the one. Okay, 20 seconds. That's happy birthday 2 times. Yes, your paper towel will last 20 seconds. Then what you're going to do is standing outside the car, you're just going to rinse your hands just like so. Take another paper towel and wipe it off. This recipe and these tips are on our website, livingonadime.com. Don't forget to check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook while you are there. Please give us a big thumbs up and a like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys next time.